I need to know how to fix a Hotpoint refrigerator.
I'm not surprised, given that it is a brand named for a hot item.
Frigidaire makes ovens, and they are called cold air.
Their ice makers have problems.
Put an ice maker in any fridge and its reliability goes down. And if that did break, I'd use old-fashioned ice cube trays instead of paying a couple hundred to fix it.
If the ice comes out in weird shapes, the ice maker is acting up. If you get plastic in the ice flow, the auger is breaking.
I'm glad that's a problem I've never had. The worst I've had is the water line freezing, where the solution is thawing out the fridge and then making sure I get water and ice daily so it doesn't refreeze.
If the refrigerator is not cold, the first thing I'd check is the condenser.
I'd know if that wasn't working because of the silence in the kitchen.
You might hear pinging and banging if it is leaking refrigerant out of the condenser.
I could hear that if there's a problem with the fan or compressor mechanically too.
If you hear gurgling or repeated popping as it tries to run, I think there is a refrigerant leak. If it repeatedly bangs in a rhythm as it runs, there is likely a mechanical issue and a part needs to be replaced.
Say that about a fridge, and it usually means the whole compressor or condenser.
If the thing runs all the time, you have a refrigerant leak. Then it may run but have no effect at all once the refrigerant runs out.
I cannot recharge refrigerant. You have to be a licensed appliance repair person to get it.
A different problem their fridges have are leaks, both from the water line to the ice maker and condensate inside of the fridge.
That can cause things to rust.
If one item like the condenser rusts through, you can replace it, while coils rusting through requires the whole set of coils to be replaced.
You cannot patch aluminum coils the way they could weld a patch on the old copper ones. And the refrigerant that replaced Freon runs on much higher pressure, so it is more likely to leak.
If the unit is rusting and you have problems you can't identify, I think the control panel is shorted out from the moisture. If there's no error message but it isn't working well, you have a rust hole letting out refrigerant.
I never thought I'd have to worry about my fridge being a literal rust bucket.